In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add custom widgets on iPhone. To add any custom widgets to your iPhone, it is very simple and very easy to do. The first thing I want you to do is this. I want you to tap on a blank place on your iPhone. Just tap on anywhere. Don't tap on icons. Just tap on anywhere and hold it. So when you tap and hold on any part of the screen, it is going to show up some things for you. That is, the icons, the apps will be shaking. Once they are shaking, that is what you want to do. Then you want to check the top left corner. The top left corner, you're going to see where it says edit. So I want you to tap on that edit. So once it brings out something for you, tap on add widget. So once you tap on add widgets, it is going to bring out this page for you. On this page, you want to search for the widgets you want to add. Let's say we want to add the clock widget. Just tap on clock. As you can see, it brings out clock for us. So tap on that clock. So once you tap on the clock, it will ask you for confirmation. So if you check the lower part, you're going to see where it says add widget. Just want to tap on that add widget. So you can see the clock widget has been added to our home screen. So guys, this is how you can actually add any widget, any custom widgets to your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.